Hello there, let's talk about the Kasa device not working with Alexa when they stop responding. Here I have a Kasa pan and tilt camera, as you can see back there, and it's working here with my cell phone. I have the Kasa app, so it's working here, but when I try to work with Alexa here on the Echo Show, it's not working. So Alexa, show dining room camera.
Okay.
Basically, that's the way that I call the camera here on the Echo Show. And it keeps like this, right? Waiting for TP-Link, that's the camera, and it stays that way forever, right? So you have two ways of solving the problem. One of them is just disable and enable back here this queue. And the other one is just turn off and turn on the camera again, okay? Either way it works. Sometimes this happens.
The camera isn't responding.
You see, the camera is not responding, so I'm going to unplug and plug the camera again. There we go. So that's one of the solution. Okay, I just unplugged and plug the camera again. It will take some time, so the camera is going to boot up again, and do its thing there, its test with the pen and everything else. And the other way you can do is just come here to Alexa. Just look for it. There we go. And here you can look for the skills. Okay, so see the camera back there is coming up. Here you come to this menu, and here on skills and games you search for Kasa or TP-Link Kasa. That's the one. Kasa is going to work, and I find here TP-Link Kasa. Okay, and here you can just disable and enable the skill again. So when you disable the skill here, it's asked to confirm, so I disable, and then I can enable it again. So just tap here to enable, and it's going to connect to my account. So I just need to agree here, and when it's the first time you need to insert the password. It's not my case, I already have the password here, and it's going to link again. All right, and then you see here that's connecting to Alexa immediately, and is looking for new devices. When you're adding a new device, it's gonna find. When you have a device already there, it's not gonna find because it's already there, right? So I hit next here, and I'm good to go because I have here the camera. See it? So it's working already. So I say here that my device is already connected. I'm good to go. Okay, let's just come back here and ask the Alexa, show dining room camera.
Okay.
And there we go. Now it's working there. You see? So pretty easy. What worked here was like the reboot of the camera, and the disable and enable skill also works. So you can try both, right? And you're gonna fix the problem with your device. I hope this helps. That's the way you can solve the problem with the Kasa device stopping working with Alexa. So please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.